I'm stood next to the Hisense PureFlat 4-door American fridge freezer, and it's got loads of great features that help you keep your food fresh. The PureFlat design looks great in any kitchen, and it has a streamlined finish. The flat door and recessed handles give it a premium high quality feel that makes it a great centerpiece for your kitchen. It's 3 independent cooling zones, which is this one up here, and then you've got the 2 down here, give you more precise control, and that means that your food can be stored at the right temperature. You can also use My Fresh Choice, which is this compartment down here, and that lets you switch between fridge and freezer settings, providing a temperature range from 5 degrees Celsius to -20 degrees Celsius. That's perfect if you need a little bit of extra fridge space if you're hosting a party. You just turn the temperature up and down here, or you can adjust it using the app. It also has metal tech cooling technology with multiple air vents, which evenly disperses cool air around the fridge, so you get consistent cooling for all your food. The metal design plate inside the fridge, which you can see here, has strong thermal conductivity, which creates and maintains optimal temperatures for longer so that your food stays fresh. It also gives the interior a premium look. And you can save yourself some energy and money with this fridge freezer, as it has a D rating in energy efficiency. This means that in 15 years of use on an average tariff, you'll make more than its value back in energy savings, making it a great long-term investment. This Hisense PureFlat multi-door fridge freezer is available in both stainless steel and black stainless steel finishes. If you'd like more info about this Hisense fridge freezer, then you can visit us in store, head online, or you can even talk to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.